What do they say? Oh, wait, hold on. What's up, guys? Hold on, wait, no. What is up, guys?
Alright, so I made it down here. I'm in the Bay, you know, where I'm staying at. And I came down to see my boy from back home. Big Stancy, yo. Say what up, homie.
Intro a River?
Yo, oh yeah, this is River. The new homie right here. That's a good girl right there. So this is gonna be the new spot to come down for me to chill since I'm out here. You know, it's been a little while since I've been in the car scene, but that's what it's all about out here. Gotta get back into it. So this is it. Serene faculty, yo. You see that? Boom. Boom. Tell me a little something, yo. Yeah, you see that shirt? Yes. So we got a couple cars here. This is actually Scott's RX-7, in which Rick is currently drawing some shit on the dust that he's got back here. But Scott has actually had this RX-7 since I've known him. It's been like 5 years, and he's like one of the only people that has kept his car this long, and it's come a long way. That's just a little project right there. Then we got the new homie Rick right here.
What's up, bro?
Say what up, homie. There you go.
Ratchet Rick.
Ratchet Rick.
Ratchet Rick all day.
This is Scott's new build right here. He just picked up. It's a little something light. A little something light. Then we got Nate Daddy over here.
How long you keep these days?
This is his little work of art right here. Then this is Rick's 240. Not bad, not bad. It's funny being out here and seeing another 240. This is honestly like just like my old one, my very first 240. So it hits me in the feels looking at this damn thing. It makes me want one, but I would never get another 240 again. Like literally from the whole little door scratch to it being a KA. But I can't do it. I'm getting something. I got something in mind that I'm gonna get probably in a few weeks. So you just gotta stay tuned, yo. Just gotta stay tuned. This is another new shop homie right here. This is Brian. Brian, you know, he be out here balling. Brian got a few cars. He's got a few cars, yo. He got a nice IS, and he's got a 240. So I heard that people are gonna be sleeping on, but you know, it's already official, yo. I am. What am I, Scott?
Great beater.
Great. Nah, yo, don't try to play me out here, yo.
What did you want?
Nah, just the official.
Nice official Serene,
Serene for Serene.
You shooting.
That's it.
He's the shooter. Hey, show him the car next.
You ready for this? You ready for this?
None of that foo-foo lame shit.
Yes, we out here.
Because Ricardo chefing it.
We got the longboards.
Yup.
We got this fool right here on the grill.
Oh, Ricardo.
Yes, yo. Big Ricky on the grill, yo. No tongs, yo.
We just stabbing it on there. Prison style.
Prison style.
That's exactly what it is. Wait till Big Sancy throws on the chicken.
Your chicken game? Yo, tell him what you be doing, yo. What you be doing, yo?
I just be blessing us, that's all.
Yes.
They call me Chef Stancy. I get dancy. Weekend booty getting fancy. That's 3 bars. That's all you get.
This is what it is. It's nice to be fresh out here.
Fresh start.
You know, fresh start. Got the boys, some old friends and some new friends. That's what it's about. Yo,
I'm surprised you didn't drop the welder.
before anything,
Dropping.
can you please tell them what you got going on here, yo?
Yo, don't play, yo. How dare you? How dare you come here?
Yo, my man's got the flannel on.
Don't play
Then
me.
he goes down to the basketball
Don't play me with the
shorts
elbow vents.
with the fucking Puma. He got the Puma.
Yo. The switch and the holes. Got that. You're a dick.
This dude was working on his car. He has dropped every bolt. Now look at this.
I dropped my beer.
He dropped his beer.
I mean, I'm gonna be honest. This doesn't usually happen.
That's what they all say.
But I've been dropping bolts all day.
All day.
Washers, bolts.
Nuts.
A job that should have taken me 15 minutes and it's taken me like 2 hours.
We were here for a while, yeah.
Yeah, we've been here,
for a while.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is it.
I got snow.
Putting an end to it. Starting to get a little dark outside. The sun's going down.
Girls going in.
The subscription. You point somewhere and talk about subscriptions.
Where do you want to point?
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Don't subscribe. This shit sucks.
That's it, yo.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Like, comment, subscribe. This would be good.